Thank you to everybody for joining us on this past 10-week journey with Mending Line Series 3. We've had a lot of fun, we've learned a lot of things, and I just want to thank all of you who liked, subscribed, shared, tuned in on Fridays, or watched it during the week. We are really grateful for you and excited to continue to bring out content over the next many months and years. They're going to help fight absence and fatherhood with intentional presence. But I want to give the giveaway winner, and through a random selection, the winner of the Father's Day giveaway is Josh Jensen. So Josh Jensen, we're gonna get you a package of awesome fishing stuff sent your direction here in the following week. And stay tuned after I get off here, because there's gonna be a little video I think you're gonna wanna watch. And one last thing about the giving. Our donor who put out the $5,000 match has extended that through July. And I know some of you have reached out to us and said, we are confused with the Pay It Forward site. So just go to this familylines.org/donate. We'll put the link here on the screen. Go there, and anything that we see come in be applied to the match. If you give $100, it'll be matched with another 100. So know that gift will be 200. All right, hope that's clear enough. But thanks again to everybody for this experience. And now, I think it's time to wrap it up. So we are gonna say goodbye, but stay tuned for this next video. Thanks, y'all.
At it for a while, and nothing ever gives. Thinking you missed a turn back a ways. Feels like a mile just to move an inch, and you wonder what it's gonna take. And you wonder if it's all a waste. Oh, if you could only see the walls about to crumble. I know it's been a struggle, but you're closer than you think. You're closer than you think. Sitting in the dark, waiting on the stars, thinking through all the places you've been. Isn't what it seems, chasing down a dream. It's the same thing again and again. But you know there's a light at the end. Oh, if you could only see the walls about to crumble. I know it's been a struggle. You're closer than you think. You're closer than you think. Closer, closer. And you wonder what it's gonna take. And you wonder if it's all the way. Yeah, you wonder. Oh, if you could only see the walls about to crumble. I know it's been a struggle, but you're closer than you think. You're closer than